you all the links that you have assigned to this YouTube account. And that is... Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can be able to share your social media links on your YouTube channel. And to be quite frank, it's actually very easy. So here I am currently on my YouTube homepage. It's not my channel yet, but before we can get to the process, the first step is to head over to YouTube. Now, what I want you to do is click here on your channel. No, actually, here on the top right corner of your screen where you see your profile picture. Click on it, and then you need to click on to YouTube Studio, where it will send you to another site called YouTube Creator Studio, which is still part of YouTube, but technically you can't watch anything here, so it's no fun around here, but it's very fun if you're following the tutorial for this video. So yeah, hey for that. Okay, afterwards, what we need to do now is just click on customization. And then we need to click over here onto basic info. Here we will find the name of your channel, the handle that you're using, basically like when they go to your channel, this will be what appears on your URL, but unfortunately for me, I don't think I'm eligible enough for that yet. Then you'll find here the description, the channel URL, but especially the links. So here we have some of the social media links that I have assigned or like attached to my YouTube channel. And I need to update this one. But let's say you have another website that you want to add that it's not here. Let's say I want to add my Facebook account or my social media page to this YouTube channel. Just click here on add link, type in Facebook. Let's go to Facebook here. Let's go to our profile, copy the URL here on the top, go back to channel customization, copy the URL. And I also want to update my Instagram, copy it, and then click publish. Afterwards, it will say here changes publish. We go back to our channel to see if it has an actual. You can see here it says something Konobaka here and 4 more links. If you go here and check out the description, it will show you all the links that you have assigned to this YouTube account. And that is how you can assign a social media link to your YouTube channel. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.